video. Let me close my door first. There we go. Okay, so if you hear anything in the back, it's because my dad doing something with the bathroom. Yes, a bathroom, not the restroom. Bathroom. So yeah. So if you guys do not know, I've made these art. I've made all these art except, not this one, except this one. Yeah, this is the only one I have not made yet. This is the one that I made on Coco Funny's account. So yeah, I don't know what it's supposed to be. Okay, don't ask me. So let's see, what should we do? I don't know, guys. I think we should like get this out because I know where you get this, and I know where you get this. Well, but I'm gonna keep the pink chest. Let's throw away this first. There we go. Any bad items we have? Yeah, we have some few bad items. Never mind. Yeah, I got scared from the Forgotten Desert. It was pretty nice. I like it. I've already put it on my thing. Yeah, I think wings look better, but that also looks better too. So yeah. So guys, if you guys want to buddy me, I have open space, so do not worry, guys. Yeah. It's gonna do random stuff, I guess. Come to my den for gems. Why? I need member things, please. Why do you need member things? Sorry if I say no. Wow, this one's picky. Okay, then no. I'm freak, you can't hack us. Cause wow, okay. Anyways, I don't know anymore. What has Animal Jam been doing for the last few days? Because we need much more stuff than this, guys. I'm serious. Oh my lord! So laggy. Okay. There you go. Wow, okay, that's like my den. If you are nice, I am nice. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. Let's go to my den. Oh my god, why do you have, I don't know, mud on you? You shouldn't have mud on you. Hi. 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 Do you like Spike? Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, I know, it is awesome, right? It is awesome, I mean. I'm serious. You gotta stop being mysterious like that. I don't feel like saying down. What happens if she's a hacker? And then, yeah. I don't even know why I'm saying this. You there, Pokes. You there. Hey, stop, Puckum. I have one. I am giving away. What? Really? 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 Yes. I'm like, I'll give you anything but my heart. But my art. I want to see it. Where is it? I don't believe her, guys. I do not believe her. I will trade it. Oh, wait. She was a member. Oh, okay. That changes everything. trade? Yeah, but... Yeah, but can I see the spike? Yeah, but can I see the spike? Can I? Please, please, please. I need to see it. Okay, I'm serious. If this thing, it's on trade. Oh, okay. Let's see this. See this? Oh my gosh, it's laggy. Why? It has to be so laggy, guys. So laggy. Oh my god. Guys, I'm serious. It's so laggy. There we go. Oh, that's not a spike. Really? Really? That's not a spike. Yeah, it is not a spike. That's not a spike. Guys. Wait, what'd she say? Gotta go. Wow, guys, I bet she's just playing. Oh my god, this thing. Where is she? Where is she? I bet she just wants my stuff. That's it. See, lies. Guys, lies. I'm gonna do this. Liar. Lies. Nice. Trying to. Wow, guys. Okay, guys, I got. Oh, guys, you saw that, right? Okay, I still have time. Guys, go search this account and wait, I'm going to draw a circle. Search her account and report her saying scamming, guys. Scamming, report, yes, block this player. Go and yeah, I'm going to unbuddy her because she is a scammer, guys. She is a scammer. I'm serious. Like, she tried to scam. She thinks I can fall for that scam, guys. Like, wow, guys. I found a scammer. So long. It's been so long since I found a scammer. I found a scammer, guys. Trying to scam me. Thinking that was a spike. That was a studded collar. Okay, it's a collar, not a spike. Grr. Okay, guys. So there we go. This is going to be called... This is what it's going to be called. Animal Jam Scammer. So see you guys later. And goodbye. Oopsies. Yeah, see you guys later. And goodbye, guys.